Are extraordinary people born, or are they made? What if your destiny is not pre-written in your genes, but shaped by the power of your mind? Most of us wonder why some individuals seem destined for greatness while others remain ordinary. Potential is not merely inherited, but forged through mindset and the cosmic forces around us. Traditional ideas of luck and genetics only tell part of the story. Instead, what if the extraordinary are crafted by choices, beliefs, and relentless drive to transcend the norm? We will peel back the layers of evolution and challenge everything you thought you knew about destiny. Are the chosen ones born under special stars, or made by the very power of a determined mind? The answer might just change everything. The cosmos illuminates the hidden forces of evolution that shape us all. We are not simply the sum of our genes. We are stardust with untapped potential, forged by the interplay of chance and choice. Imagine that every cell in our body carries the legacy of the universe, and that within us lies the power to redefine what it means to be extraordinary. Destiny is not pre-written. Our mindset and environment push the boundaries of human potential. This perspective forces us to ask, what truly sets the chosen ones apart? Are extraordinary individuals born with a natural advantage, or do they emerge through deliberate effort and a unique mindset? On one hand, scientific studies on genetics and neuroplasticity suggest that certain traits may be inherited, giving some people a head start. Yet, when we examine stories of remarkable achievement, we often find that raw talent alone isn't enough. Consider historical figures and modern innovators who, despite humble beginnings, transformed their lives through relentless determination and self-belief. Their success wasn't handed to them by fate. It was earned through hard work, adaptive thinking, and a refusal to accept mediocrity. As we weigh these perspectives, we uncover a paradox. While genetic predisposition lays the groundwork, it's the power of the mind, its capacity to learn, to adapt, and to overcome, that ultimately crafts the extraordinary. This suggests that our potential isn't fixed, it's malleable, waiting to be unlocked by those who dare to challenge their limitations. The dynamic relationship between mindset and destiny. The most groundbreaking discoveries in psychology reveal that our beliefs and attitudes can reshape our neural pathways, effectively rewriting our potential. A growth mindset, the belief that abilities can be developed through dedication and effort, acts as a catalyst, propelling individuals beyond the boundaries set by genetics alone. Imagine a life where every setback is reinterpreted as an opportunity to learn, and every challenge becomes a stepping stone to greatness. This isn't just motivational rhetoric, it's supported by research in neuroplasticity and cognitive science. We need to see ourselves as active participants in our evolution. Instead of accepting a predetermined fate, we can choose to cultivate resilience, creativity, and innovation. When we combine this inner transformation with the raw material of our genetic heritage, the result is extraordinary potential. So, are the chosen ones really born that way, or do they become extraordinary through the deliberate power of a transformative mindset? Reflect on this. Remember that each decision you make, every habit you cultivate, brings you one step closer to defining your own destiny. Evolution is a dynamic interplay between our inherited traits and our choices. Transformation is not only possible, but within our reach. Extraordinary potential should not be a gift reserved for a select few. It's a fire waiting to be ignited within each of us. When you commit to a growth persona, you break free from the limitations of genetics and circumstance. Imagine a life where every setback fuels determination, every challenge sharpens resolve. By embracing this transformative power, we can redefine our destiny and step into a realm of possibility that no one thought unattainable. Now is the moment to claim inner strength, challenge conventional limits, and elevate life from ordinary to truly extraordinary. What do you believe makes someone extraordinary? Are we simply born with it, or can we shape our destiny with our mindset? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and share your story. If you're ready to challenge the status quo, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more insights on redefining human excellence. Our journey to greatness begins now.